In this video, I'll show you how to find the first message in a channel on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now I just joined up this server and I'm going to show you how you can find the first message in this channel, right? So you can see this is the most recent message. I think it was posted here on the 24th, on the 20th November of last year, 2024. So for us to see the first message on this channel, what we're going to do, we're going to move up, we're going to move up, or you can just hold this and slightly move up. So the first message on this channel was posted last year, 24th February, right? The first message on this channel was posted 24th February 2024. So this is how you can find the first message in a channel here on Discord. You basically need to just use this scroll. You can either move up or down. If you find this video helpful, share that below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.